This is basically a folder of scripts that are created by the software by mixing and matching your different building blocks. And to show you what one of these looks like, I'm just going to click on the first one here, which is a cold call script that opens with your value proposition. And if I click on document view, this is a script that's generated by the software. And this is more of a traditional view of a script, looking like a document that you would scroll from top to bottom. So this is one way to view a script in the document view. You can also view all of our scripts in what we call the interactive view. This is actually what most of our customers use and like. And this is that exact same script, but displayed in sort of a heads up view that is helpful to have up in front of you when you're maybe making calls or talking with a prospect. And it displays that exact same information, but instead of a document that you scroll from top to bottom, this displays that same information with big buttons, and it's designed to make it easier to get to the key thing to say at the right time when you're talking with a prospect. And the other nice thing about this view is that we're able to display many different documents from your sales playbook in this single view. For example, on the left side here is your call script or your appointment script. On the right side over here are your objections and objection responses, which is a totally different document in the playbook. And you can click on these buttons over here to see responses for these different objections or frequently asked questions. And you can create different responses for those objections depending on maybe when the objection comes up or how the prospect is responding or acting. And at the top of the interactive script are some buttons here. On the left side here are buttons where you can actually log the calls that you make or the emails you send or the voicemails you leave. And this allows you to basically document a check mark for all of your different sales activities when you're performing prospecting. And you'll be able to see this data in the reports and on your dashboard. And you can either use this for motivating yourself and tracking your performance and progress, or communicating with management what you're working on and how productive you are. Now, all of this is completely customizable and very easy for you to edit. You can edit the labels on these buttons, add more buttons, and easily edit the text here in the body of these scripts. Our software generates scripts and creates a whole sales playbook for you, but we have many customers that come to us that already have a script that they're completely happy with. They just want to distribute that script to their salespeople and provide a central place for their salespeople to access the script and then have tools to display the script when they're on the phone or making calls. And they sign up with SalesScripter and use this interface to display the script they already have and can easily create these buttons and objections and text using their own script and make the script your own.